Hey Fragrance people, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another video. This review is going to be a little different. I'm going to give you a review on Pure Mall. I'm going to basically take you day by day while I'm wearing this fragrance and see if I get compliments, good projection, and good longevity. So I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. If you do, hit the like button. If you do like it a lot, hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this type of view or not. If not, it's okay. I'll change it back to the original. So I hope you guys enjoy these couple of days me reviewing Pure Mall. And I hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Alright Fragrance people, my name is Mr. Fragrance. Today's part 2 of spraying this fragrance to see if I get any projection or longevity or I get any compliments. This is Pure Mall. So I'm going to do about 3 sprays, maybe 4, and see if I get any compliments. I'm here at the mall right now, Deptford Mall. Get some clothes for my vacation, some shoes. So if I can film in here, great. If I can't, then it is what it is. But I'm just going to give you guys a day in the life of some of the stuff that I do and let you know how projection and longevity is and if I get any compliments. So if you like videos like this, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you guys want me to do a video about top 25 questions about myself and my girlfriend or anything, please leave a comment below. If you do, if you don't, no big deal. But if you guys want to know more about myself and her, we'll make a special video. So please stay tuned. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm at the mall here. I just left the mall. I've been here for about roughly an hour and a half and still projection a little bit, still not as loud as it was. So right now it's been about an hour and a half projection on Pure Mall. So not too bad. I hope it gets to 2 hours. I'm still gonna go grab something to eat and clean my car and stuff like that. I picked up a few things at the mall. I went to Hollister, H&M. I went to Macy's, Sephora, but they didn't have any new clones out there yet. Everything that I already done reviewed is pretty much out right now, nothing new yet. If anything new comes out, I'll let you guys know as soon as I get my hands on it or I get a phone call from somebody letting me know it's out. But Pure Mall, pretty good so far. I did not get no compliments today, so no compliments. Sometimes that happens with fragrances, but it smells good. I enjoy it so far. So this is day 2. Now I'm going to jump into day 3 coming real soon. So hope you guys stay tuned. Thank you. This is a quick update. I went to Chick-fil-A, got something to drink. I got one comment, but it wasn't for my fragrance, it was for my shirt. Shout out to Hollister. Shirts are amazing. They make, I'm not sponsored by them, but it's a cool shirt. Got a couple Hollister shirts. Every time I wear one, I get compliment for my shirts more than my fragrances. I guess that's a cool thing, I guess. But anyway, it's just a quick update. A comment on my Hollister shirt, but no fragrance. It's kind of sad, but hey, a comment's a comment, so I gotta take it while I can get it, I guess. So I hope you guys are having a nice day and more videos are coming. Hey Fragrance people, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with the same video, just another day. So this is day 3 of wearing Pure Tonka. I apologize before I said Pure Malt, it's the wrong one. Bottles look almost the same, so it's kind of hard, but please forgive me for that, ladies and gentlemen. So, Pure Tonka, great fragrance so far. Just pretty much just a heavy blast of Tonka, just like roasted coffee beans. This is just amazing fragrance. If you're a coffee lover, you gotta get this fragrance when you already have it. So far, it's been doing great. The first 2 days I've been wearing projection-wise, I get about an hour and a half to 2 hours of projection, which is pretty good. I enjoy that. Price point for it is pretty cheap right now. I'll leave links below where you pick it up at. Longevity-wise, it's great. I get about 7 hours so far, so it's pretty good. I enjoy it so far. Now I'm going to run to the mall, check out some fragrances. I'm going to go to Cherry Hill Mall. First mall I went to the day before yesterday was the Deptford Mall. Now I'm going to Cherry Hill Mall, check out some fragrances, some shoes, and some clothes for my vacation in September. If you don't know already, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go with my girlfriend to London for a couple of days, Italy for a couple of days, and Paris for a couple of days vacation, just to get away from work and everything else in life. So if you guys want video of me and her going vacation and checking out fragrances, please leave a comment below, let me know. If you guys don't, then I won't do any videos at all for that. So far, Pure Tonka is working pretty good. So overall, I like the fragrance. So I'm going to go in here and see if I get any comments with this fragrance here, I hope. If not, no big deal. I'm going to go about 4 sprays. So I'm probably going to do 1 on each side of the neck, 1 in the back of my neck, and probably do 1 on my hand. That's it. So hopefully I get comments. If I don't, I will let you guys know, update this video towards the end of the day. So please stay tuned. Just left the Cherry Hill Mall, checked out some new fragrances. Checked out that new Le Mans in the navy. Smells pretty good. I might pick it up. They still have Acqua di Gio Special Blend at the mall. It's pretty cool. I got to pick that up, I think. I'm debating if I should get it because I have the other Acqua di Gio Absolute and Acqua di Gio Profumo. So I'm not really sure if I want to pick that up. To me, it smells a little bit different, but not much. Just picked up some clothes for my vacation. Picked up another small little fragrance decan, which I'll do a review on shortly. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to head home right now and do a review on the fragrance Pure Tonka and let you guys know if it's worth it or if I got any comments at the mall this time or not. So please stay tuned. Just got back from the mall, Cherry Hill Mall. So I got no compliments at all, a couple head turners, but that's about it. So, and I like to apologize. This fragrance is Pure Tonka. Sorry about that. I got messed up with the other fragrance Pure Malt. I apologize. I said it a few times in the video. I just want to make information update that this is Pure Tonka. So fragrance overall, I like the fragrance a lot. I got between 1.5 hours to 2 hours of projection, which is pretty good, not too bad at all. I enjoy that. Longevity, I got about 7 hours on my skin, so I enjoy it a lot. 7 hours means that's so much that I can smell it on my skin. After that, you pretty much got to dig your nose into it to smell it. So I enjoy the fragrance overall. If you like coffee based type of fragrances or like roasted kind of beans with coffee, this is a fragrance for you, Pure Tonka. But if you don't, then this fragrance isn't for you. The whole fragrance line of Amen fragrances are pretty good. I gotta try some other ones like Ultra Zest. So there's a lot of fragrances in the line I gotta try out, but so far this fragrance is really good. I appreciate Alexis for sending me this as a fragrance review. I appreciate it, Alexis. Hope you're doing well, girl. Your channel is amazing and keep up the great work. I know you work 2 jobs, so. But I appreciate you guys watching my channel. If you like videos like this, hit the like button. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Share the video. If you want to be entered in my next fragrance free giveaway, it's going to be September 30th. And my girlfriend Kelly is going to pull a name out of a bag like she did the first time. And the bottle that's for free right now is Versace Dylan Blue. I don't wear the fragrance anymore, so it's free to whoever. First, you have to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and we'll pull your name out of a hat. Once you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, let me know you subscribe to the channel, and I'll put your name in the fragrance giveaway. That's it. I want to give back because people say, hey, I subscribe to the channel, but what do I get? Well, you're going to get free fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways. That's what you get for subscribing to my channel. It's not just about me, it's about you guys that make my channel grow every day. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for everyone that watches my videos. And if you do like this type of videos, just hit the subscribe button. That's it. Thanks for all you guys' support. And today I'm going to be, my scent of the day is, what is your scent of the day, ladies and gentlemen? Please let me know. Let me get it out of my pocket here. It's a decan of Pocket Dolce & Gabbana, the One Gray. I'll try it out and see if I get any comments today. If not, whatever. But I'm going to see if I get comments with this fragrance. I'm going to have a full review up soon. If you want to get the first impressions, click below. If you want to know more about Pure Tonka, or you want to know about Dolce & Gabbana The One Gray, leave a comment below, let me know. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Until my next video, peace.